Edna, featuring Kum SHot and MC Shammer. Yo,
Oh yeah, that's right.
Kum SHot.
Wicca, rain, come again, some other day. Rain,
That's right.
I will beat you till you get back.
Alright, I'm a rapper in this part, I guess. I'm just gonna say some red things about the rain. Rain, where does it come from? I don't know. I'm just gonna think of something that will make both your brains out. Come on, you cannot skip these lyrics now, cause I'm too good at it. Cause I'm singing something that you don't know. Yoko waka. Oh yeah, I'm so fresh. Can't catch me, kiss my nuts. It's so cool, cause I'm so really hot. And you not, cause you're not black.
Rain, come again, go away some other day. Rain, come again.
Oh yeah,
I'll beat your ass till it is black.
Come on. Do you think you can rap like me? Hell no, I suck. You can't say I suck. I'm actually really good. I just said that to be really modest.
Whitey, rain, Jam, made up a guy. He wants to send us all his kids. Yeah, what
But Edna, singing very nice. I can't beat that. It's so Christ. And Jesus Christ, not the fight. Dig first. There's no heaven, yo. I cannot write 7 lyrics at one time. It's really hard. I'm just gonna sing stuff. I'm really black, and you're not white. So let's mix us together, and we're Mexican. Yeah, you can't beat this. And you're just cute. I cannot beat you. You are black, but I am white, and I'm not black, but I'm black.
Rain, come again another day. You are shame. Rain, don't come back.
Oh yeah,
I'll beat you to your black.
Yo,
MC Kum SHot. Oh yeah. Badass
Yo,
mother
wicca,
trucker.
Edna! Featuring those two fools, Kum SHot and MC Shammer.